This guy is driving down the road, but what he does not know is that he is about to enter a magical world and be transformed into a horse.
Hi, I'm, Rocky.
Whoa, where am I?
How do I get out?
Follow me to the treasure if you wish to get out.
Why do I have 4 legs, and why am I a horse? I must follow him to get out.
This horse is to follow this path to find the hidden treasure. That is the only way to escape this magical world. But what he does not know is that finding the treasure will not free him of this world. Once he enters that magical portal, he will forever be trapped in this magical world.
I'm almost there, almost to the treasure. Wow, this forest makes me never want to leave. It's so mystical. I must go through here.
Welcome!
Where is the treasure?
Here's the treasure.
Wow, the treasure, I'm free.